Hello and welcome to this example here where we're going to take a look at how to find an angle using sine law in a non-right angle triangle. So here we have this triangle and we are asked to find what is angle A, so up there in the top right corner. We are given two of the side lengths, both the 150 and the 162, and we are also told that one of our angles there is 47 degrees. Now that 47 degrees is the angle that is associated with the 150. Okay, so those two angles are associated with each other, which is what we need for sine law. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label this triangle with letters and both capital and lowercase letters. So make sure that we are associating. So C and little c, B and little b, and A and little a are connected to each other through that corresponding piece. Now, we have the C's, we have one of the A's, and we're trying to find the other A. So I'm going to use sine law, at least its simplified form. A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. We don't need the B one because it is just not necessary in this case. We only need two of the ratios. Let's plug in the pieces that we have. So we have 162, which is side A, 150, which is side C, and 47 degrees, which is angle C. Now, I like to use the method cross multiply and divide. Because we're missing angle A, I'm going to start on top of that ratio at the 162. I'm going to multiply across, so I'm going down. Okay, sorry, down this way. That way. Oh, man. Okay, my things are messed up here. Okay, that way. All right. Okay, going down. And then I'm going to divide by what's on top, and that's going to equal to sine A. So it looks kind of like this. 162 times sine of 47 divided by 150, and that equals to sine A. Now when we do this, sorry, I went backwards there for a second, sine A is equal to 0.789 and then a bunch more decimal places that just continue on and on forever. We have to find angle A, and to do that we have to take the inverse sine of both sides. Okay, so that's going to be shift sine usually on most calculators, or sine -1, and angle A should give you roughly 52.17 degrees, or I usually just require that you round to the nearest degree, so that would be 52 degrees. There's our angle. Okay, and once we know this angle, we can easily solve for angle B by our triangle property, knowing that all angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can subtract 47 and 52 from 180, and that will give us angle B. Hope this has helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day.